So today is the third day of our McLeodganj stay. So today mostly we're gonna go visit the Bhaksum Falls. They are saying like we have to trek a little, so we are all prepared again to trek after yesterday's pain and everything. We are still having our body are so sore, but still we are ready to trek a little. And you can look at my face, it's like all puffy and all because of the pain. I couldn't sleep properly at night, but yeah. So and maybe we'll visit some cafes and just local market and those local tourist points. So let's see. It's a bright sunny day, it's very beautiful, it's a little cloudy, and the view from my room is very pretty. So I'm just enjoying this view, and just my roommate is getting ready right now. So we are all set to go. Now it's almost 10 and we're gonna head out. We have a scooty with us for entire day, which is like 500 bucks. And yeah, so my outfit of the day is a simple top from Myntra, a pearl necklace, watch, a denim jeans, and a white sneakers, yes, and a white bag. So yeah, let's enjoy the day and I'll keep you updated. So this is the view from my room, and this is day 3 of McLeodganj stay. You can see it's a little bit cloudy and it's just adding more beauty to the scenic view. And never noticed that we have a small little river flowing through there. Just noticed right now. Yeah, so this is the basically this point is the point that we saw from our Triun trek. We can also see from our hotel room. So right now we came for breakfast. We ordered paneer paratha, mooli paratha, and aloo paratha. So this is the breakfast point, and right now we are in the market. Let's go. We're gonna explore a little because paratha will take some time. Pretty vegetable shop. Got this pretty pearl bracelet which cost around 150. I tried to bargain with her, but no. We're having breakfast, friends. We have ordered paneer paratha and mooli paratha. So let's see how it tastes. Has arrived. This is paneer paratha with butter and curd.
अच्छा ये हाथ में थोड़ा
यहाँ पे इधर friend is helping me. We just had our breakfast. I had paneer paratha and moolika paratha, and I will definitely recommend you to come here. Definitely you should come. This is the menu and he is the owner. So it's so yum. So moolika paratha, you should definitely come in the main market. You can get this shop. It's Shai Pure Veg Dhaba. And he opens his shop till 10 PM, so you should definitely come and visit. have reached our Dharamshala cricket stadium. This is the main entrance. So we came to the stadium and the ticket is 30 rupees per person. This is the main entrance. We came by Google Map and we went other places, so just beware, and it's better to ask people like where is the stadium and the entry points, or else you're gonna get lost like us. After entering the main entrance, you have to take 6 number gate to go to the main stadium. Right now I'm looking at gate number 4. Entire stadium view, and now we are moving to Kangra Fort. It's around half an hour from the stadium, and we're just gonna go. Let's see if it's open. It's showing it's open, but let's see if we reach there on time. Right now we reached Kangra Fort, yeah, you can say Kangra Killa. The road, it was very far from the stadium, and the road was very, filled with, it was jammed in traffic. So right now we are here, and the ticket is 25 rupees per adult. You have to pay online, not offline. So online you have to pay. Just wait in a queue, and you will be good to go. had our lunch, or you can say snacks, at this place, Food Safari Dual Theme Cafe. It's the opposite of the State Memorial, State War Memorial in Dharamshala. So I would definitely recommend you to have a bite here. We had pizza, and then we had momos, and then we had chicken wrap. It was good. You can definitely try this place. So right now we came to Bhansu waterfall. So this is the main entry point. We have to walk around 1 kilometer. We have to trek, and there's a market here. Let me show you. This is the waterfall. We have to reach here. So we have to go all the way from here to there. So this is the natural spring water that they use to cool down the drink, cool out the drinks. So such a nice technique, you can see. So pretty. We have been climbing up like for 10 minutes, and it's still difficult after yesterday's trek. Why? So see, this is the structure they made from the plastic, from the waste bottles, like, and chips packets also. Yeah, so such a nice initiative to use garbage as artwork. Yes. The Bhaksung waterfall up close, and this is the way to this cafe. So you might have to open up your shoes or not, your choice. Very cold, very nice. The other side view is like this. You can see the clear sunset, so pretty. And this is the crowd that's enjoying this waterfall. This is garam garam gulab jamun. So this is a small tip to all the people who want to buy souvenirs or gifts or things like that. It's better that you buy these things from McLeodganj rather than waiting for Manali, because most of my friends, they didn't get anything from McLeodganj and they waited for Manali, but then Manali, it was like thrice the price. So yeah, try to buy in McLeodganj. Look at these guys shopping, and they're taking too long, and the girls are sitting and waiting for them to choose, at least choose. But nope, I think we're gonna hear for half an hour more. Hi guys, do you like this? Yeah, so this is a gift that I bought for my brother. It's a lamb wool, and this is some leather. I don't know, but they said it's handicraft and all. So yeah, so I will do another video of all the gifts that I bought, all the things I bought in Himachal and Delhi. But apart from that, today day 3 has ended, and it was tiring. Yeah, definitely it was tiring because we were tired since yesterday. But then again, tomorrow we are moving to Manali in the morning. Then basically we'll move from our hotel to Bir, Tirbiling. We'll do paragliding. Yes, and after that we'll move to Manali tomorrow, and then 2 days stay is in Manali. So that will be in a different video. So I hope you like the vlog, and yeah, this is a wrap for the day 3. And yeah, I'll just meet you in my next video. I hope you like this, and if you do, please like, comment and share. Please, it helps a lot, and I hope you have a good night. Bye.